Hello friends, welcome to Crystal Crafts. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this lovely wall hanging, which is very easy to make and is a great addition to your home decor. So let's get started. You can subscribe for free by clicking the subscribe button and the bell notification icon to watch more such craft videos. So firstly, you need to print out your favorite image. So here I'm going to print this pretty flower vase picture. Next, we are going to take this red glitter foam sheet, which is self-adhesive, and we are going to cut strips out from this foam sheet. We're going to cut out strips of foam sheet which are about 1 centimeter in thickness. So we're going to cut out 4 strips. Next, to hang our picture, we are going to use a hole punch and hole 2 holes near the top of the picture. We're going to take a satin ribbon and thread the satin ribbon through the holes of the picture, and we are going to tie knots to secure it. Next, we're going to take the foam strips and we're going to stick them all around the border of the picture. So here our wall hanging is all ready and it's looking really pretty. If you like this video, you can click the like button. And also, why not subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification so that you never miss such pretty craft videos. Thank you for watching.